First Peter chapter 3 and verse 7 says that the wife is the weaker vessel. And that's not to say that she's intellectually weak or anything like that. It just means that God has a distinction between the genders. And if we ask one that was created different to be like the other, we're asking them to step into something that they're not made for. And it honestly androgenizes both of those genders to amalgamate them into what I see on the streets of Portland every day. Well, just be whatever you want. And I don't mean to be disrespectful, but that's what happens when you take away distinction. It's not good for either gender.
No. And it doesn't, same way it does in the physical world, it doesn't promote reproduction. That's the conclusion that we could draw, is this androgyny of mankind, like men becoming more effeminate and women becoming more masculine, and the genders being erased. What's the result? Well, there's a failure in reproduction. There's going to be a failure in people recognizing the way in which we've been gifted to repopulate the earth. The same thing is true in the church. There's going to be a lack of fruitfulness and multiplication as we begin erasing the very important distinctions that God has called us into. And so it's really important for us to establish a biblical view